In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude in Excel step by step, so you can upload a spreadsheet, analyze your data, and get summaries, formulas, reports, and even chart ideas much faster. If you work with Excel files regularly, this can save you a huge amount of time and make your data analysis a lot easier. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Claude and start a new chat. This is where you'll begin your conversation, and give Claude the Excel file you want help with. Once you're in a new chat, look near the message box and click the plus button. This is the upload option, and it lets you attach files directly into the conversation. After that, select Add Files or Photos. Claude will then open your file browser, and from there, you just choose the Excel file you want to work with. Make sure your file is in .xlsx format so it uploads correctly, and Claude can read the spreadsheet properly. Once you select the file, upload it and wait for it to finish processing. Now that your spreadsheet is attached, the next step is to type a prompt describing exactly what you want Claude to do. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. For example, you could ask Claude to summarize the sales data in the spreadsheet, identify trends, compare monthly performance, or highlight the top performing products. If you want a simple example, you can type "Summarize the sales data in this spreadsheet." Then press Enter and let Claude analyze the file. Claude will go through the spreadsheet and give you a written response based on the data it finds. Depending on your file, it may also point out patterns, totals, averages, or other useful insights. Once Claude gives you the first result, take a moment to review it carefully. If the answer is not exactly what you need, don't worry. You can ask follow-up questions to refine the analysis. For example, you might ask it to make the summary shorter, explain a specific column, compare two time periods, or focus only on one section of the sheet. This is also where Claude becomes really powerful for Excel users. You can ask it to generate additional charts, suggest formulas, or help you build reports from the spreadsheet data. If you're stuck on a formula, Claude can often explain it in plain language or help you create one based on the task you want to complete. If you need a report, it can help organize the data into a cleaner format that's easier to present. A good tip is to keep your prompts direct and clear. For example, instead of just saying "analyze this file," try asking for a sales summary by region, a list of outliers, or a breakdown of monthly revenue. That helps Claude understand the exact result you want and gives you more accurate output. You can also use Claude to explore your spreadsheet in different ways. Ask it to find missing values, identify duplicate entries, compare categories, or turn raw data into a more readable summary. The more you interact with it, the more useful it becomes for working with Excel files. So the full process is simple. Open Claude, start a new chat, click the plus button, upload your Excel file, type your prompt, press Enter, and then keep refining the results with follow-up questions. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to use Claude in Excel, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.